Piusi EX50 and EX75 are the most efficient transfer pumps you can buy. The EX50 has a true flow rate of 15 gallons per minute, while the 75 has a rate of 20 gallons per minute. The EX50 and EX75 both come with spring-loaded vanes and grooved rotors. This allows for a higher flow rate, and it also eliminates vapor lock on hot summer days just like today. These pumps come with industry-leading features like this anti-kink technology on each end of the dispense hose. This will keep your hose from kinking up on those hot days or at extreme angles. These pumps come pre-wired from the factory, making installation more cost-effective and efficient for your operation. They feature a steel telescopic suction tube, an aluminum tank adapter with built-in filter strainer, as well as flange fittings. The position of this pump allows you to use the built-in nozzle holder, which is mounted opposite of the rear window, making it easily accessible. And it keeps the nozzle out of your truck bed and free of dirt and debris. These flange fittings make the pump more compact and infinitely adjustable, and installation is a breeze. If you want to know more about the EX50 or EX75, check out Piusi.com. That's Piusi.com.